In this video, we're going to witness the amazing magic act of the famous magician Florian Sainvet, where he somehow produces a multitude of discs one after another. Small discs, colorful discs, and big discs, you name it. We'll also discover the secret behind this magic. If you enjoy the video, be sure to show your support by liking it. For this act, the magician starts by bringing a transparent CD box onto the stage. The magician extracts a disc from the transparent box, and in the blink of an eye, that disc transforms into pieces of paper and falls to the ground. After this, magically, a disc appears on its own inside the empty transparent box held by the magician. Afterwards, Florian takes the disc in his left hand, and in the blink of an eye, the disc disappears. The next moment, the magician brings the disc back. Florian makes the disc vanish with one hand and brings it back with the other, repeating this mesmerizing act several times. Finally, the disc vanishes from both hands, and in its place, confetti appears in Florian's hands, which he scatters into the air. This leaves everyone in awe. But the magic doesn't end there. Now, out of nowhere, two colorful discs appear in the magician's hands. With these discs, Florian performs the same magical routine, making one disc disappear from one hand and reappear in the other. This happens many times, and this time from discs 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, and in the end, 6 discs of different colors appear in Florian's hands. It all happens so fast that everyone is amazed by watching it. But wait, because the magic isn't over yet. After this, a large disc appears in the magician's hand. Then the magician, with his other hand, scatters confetti into the air, and the disc disappears again. After that, the disc reappears, and just like before, the magician makes it disappear again and brings it back. After doing this several times, the number of discs increases from 2 to 4. At that moment, Florian throws all the large discs he's holding, and in his hand appears a white disc. He twists it, and the disc scatters into pieces of paper, falling to the ground. The magician performs this entire act very quickly, almost in about a minute, and it looks quite amazing to watch. But how does the magician manage to do this? How does the disc disappear, reappear, and then transform? In this video, we're going to uncover the secret behind this magic. But before we dive into that, if you enjoyed Florian Saintvet's amazing magic, be sure to like the video. Now, let's find out the secret behind this magic. First, the magician brings a transparent CD box onto the stage. From this transparent box, the magician takes out a disc. In the blink of an eye, the disc transforms into pieces of paper and falls to the ground. In reality, this disc is not a single solid white disc, but rather two transparent plastic discs with pieces of paper placed between them. Here, the magician presses the disc from both sides, causing the two discs that were loosely stuck together to separate, and the paper in between comes out, scattering and falling to the ground. Because the disc is transparent, the white paper inside is visible, and even when the discs separate, only these paper pieces seem to fall. However, if you look closely, you can also see both transparent discs. After this, a disc magically appears in the magician's empty transparent box. In reality, the disc doesn't appear magically. It's already in the box, covered with a black cloth from the front. The black cloth in the front is attached with a thread going back through the hole in the disc. Florian cleverly pulls the thread with his thumb, causing the black cloth attached to the disc to move backwards through the hole in the disc, and it appears as if the disc is magically appearing in the box. Afterwards, Florian takes the disc in his left hand, and in the blink of an eye, the disc disappears. And in the next moment, the magician brings the disc back. Florian makes the disc disappear with one hand and retrieves it with the other hand. Florian repeats this several times. Now, take a closer look. When the magician is holding the disc, his two fingers are in this position. And now, when the disc has disappeared, you can see the